What's up, you guys? Shanice back with a random ass video today. So this is just, I guess you can say, a compilation of vlogs that I did not post. This particular segment is silent while we're at this restaurant because they were playing music and I don't want to get flagged. You know how YouTube is, so it's gonna be silent. Sorry about that. But the rest of it, of course, has sound. In this vlog, I don't know, it was me driving in the snow. I think I had got some stuff from DHGate I wanted to show you guys. I don't know, so shit like that. Anyway, this restaurant was absolutely amazing. I've had it again since I recorded this. My wife had bought it for me. I don't know, she had made me mad about something, and I hadn't intended on giving her hell all day, but I came into a birria taco, not a taco, a pizza from there, a birria pizza from there, and I was like, you don't play fair. So yeah, the tacos were great. I think they're called flautas or something like that. Those were okay. But that pizza, that birria pizza, ooh, bless my soul. Like, y'all got to try it if y'all in the DFW area. They are in Fort Worth. It is so good. Oh my God. And that drink was popping. I want to say that was a mango one, a mango daiquiri thingy. It was so good. It was so good. But yeah, this was amazing food. The vibe was nice. The music was good. The service was great. I will say that the service was a little slow, but I feel like, I don't know, like they put work into their food. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was worth the wait, in my opinion, because like, ooh, the fresh vegetables and everything. And do you see the steam coming off of the juices that we gonna dip it in, you know? Like, baby, Eddie and me is sitting up here, ain't had breakfast yet, and I'm hungry. Ooh, I might have to spin the block, cause, anyway, that food was amazing. So you can watch me stuff my mouth, stuff our faces with this food, and I hope that y'all check them out. But you know, after that, there's a few other clips in here of me throughout that month, and you know, sharing things with you, whatever. So I hope that you stick around for the full video. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the share button even if you ain't got nobody to share it with. You know what I'm saying? Just hit the share button for your girl, okay? Appreciate it. Love you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. So it is snowing. It is snowing in Texas. And I am on my way to work.
I went up earlier, and 20's kind of empty, but their ice cream was like constantly, so we'll be straight.
Alright, sorry, I had to play that one of my coworkers talking about the roads. It's a thing behind me, a snowplow thing. I would turn it around so y'all can see the rear view, but it's still iced out in the back. Like, it's defrosting, but it ain't there yet. You can't see shit, but it's a thing behind me. Okay, it's my go. Okay. Lord Jesus. My wife is having a fit because she wants me at home. And so she finally was like, and I'm pretty sure it was a sarcastic notion. She was like, I mean, if you want to go, just go. If you want to go, just go. You know? I'm like, okay. But I can imagine her tracking my location right now, just sitting there. But I think we're going to be okay. I'm driving safe. I'm being good. I'll turn this around so y'all can see. Mind business. Yes, I mean breakfast. This is so good. It's an egg bite. The cheese in the middle. Got spinach and bell pepper and tomatoes. And then got my sausage. Was the Kingsford Cajun sausage. It's getting whiter. The traffic's slowing down now. It must be getting pretty heavy because people are starting to drive like me. Except for a few nuts like this one. But he got a truck made for that shit, I guess. Probably got some snow tires and shit. I don't know. But how you do now? Okay. Where's him? In doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. All right. This your foot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Hamilton.
we got stuff from DHGate. This is Louis Vuitton. Let's see. Is this not everything? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And sorry, and we're trying to watch Hammy.
Now he's awake and you know he likes to roam around. Scared as hell when I took the plastic away. I'm putting it on the thing.
Okay. I'm gonna put it right here for just a minute. Okay? I gathered everything. This is the YSL. I need to record this with my regular phone. You see my regular phone? It's over there. No, I didn't take it yet.
You stay losing stuff.
Hamilton, you got my phone? I just seen it. Jeez.
What's the point? Hammy wasn't chill. I'm tired of Hammy. Okay. You know we were watching a movie. He was knocked out. Well, I paused it because we were talking, and then we just fell asleep.
It was nap time after that.
That's what I'm saying. I was like, wait a minute. I still got chips. How much?
Oh, what? Is that all? Nah, that's straight. I was like, wait a minute, maybe that's crooked, but no, it ain't crooked. This is marvelous.
It look a little.
It look a little crooked.
They just went without even looking.
I don't know, like.
But it look it, but it's not.
No, I think.
Well, now it's crooked.
Well, anyway, it's cute, bitch. I like it. Okay. Let me put this big.
Put the little chain in.
Oh, it came out. Oh, no, it's right there. That's where it was. Okay. Oh, you got a little bit. Okay, a little bit. This gonna go to my bag over there, right there. Yeah. I mean, let's see it, but they don't see it. No. I don't
I thought you were going to take it, use it every day.
Oh, you talking about at work? Yeah, I thought you was talking about like on YouTube or something. No.
Is this for you or for
YouTube? The one that I did for Snapchat. I mean, that I did on Snapchat just then. I'm sending that to people at work.
That's nice.
This is nice. It's a little big.
Oh, that's what you really needed that one the other day.
That's what I was looking for. This is what I was looking for. And then I don't know. That little clip. I'm feeling that. nice. And it'll go in my bag.
You
Yeah.
gonna start selling it?
I kind of want to. I might. It go with
You go with that or and your backpack.
yeah, and my backpack. I ain't showing the backpack. I need to get that up. Just gonna put that right there because I'm gonna switch my stuff in there.
Then you're recording with your. Can they see your stuff?
Everything. That's my sandwich, my plate from the sandwich we just had earlier.
You gonna post that?
Yep. Cause it's about real life. Don't y'all bitches got some shit on y'all table too? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let me see this. I I create a facade on this channel.
Come on, facade.
All right. This is hers. I thought you was gonna open yours.
You told me to wait.
Oh, well, shit.
Look, me listening to you.
And then I took you want to do
You know.
it. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Now this is babe. Oh. Yes. That's nice. This is gorgeous, huh?
Thank you. Oh wow. And it matches my bag.
Where your bag at? I'm gonna show
It's
them.
when you come in on my side, it's literally right there in the front. But it's in the back, like in between my clothes in the back. Or no, in the like against the wall behind my uniforms, and right in the beginning.
Oh, in the beginning.
It's like on top of my boxes, my plastic boxes, in the back.
I don't know.
Baby,
I
baby,
Huh?
look,
Oh, huh?
right there. If you open in between the clothes, it's in the back.
Okay. Steel wall. Okay.
If you can't see, it's just maybe a little farther to the right.
Shoes. Okay, wait a minute. This one. All right, here you go. Here we go. Okay, so hers. This is kind of crooked. Let me see. I don't know. That's alright. Hers is this black one. That eats, don't it? That fucking eats. That's crazy. And even the inside. Open it up. How do you open it up? Oh, you do snap.
You gotta, no.
Oh shit. Fuck around me, I'm breaking him. I'm not crazy about mine. I feel like it's missing something. Maybe I'm just being extra. It don't look off to y'all just a little bit. Like, I mean, it's in the bed, so of course it's all whatever. But I feel like, I don't know, when I fill it up with stuff, like maybe it'll fill out and it'll look like it's supposed to look or something, but I don't know.
It's just like coming, all flat right now.
But yours flat and it's still giving. I don't know. It's alright. It's okay. For the price, it's alright. But look at the inside. I wish I had better lighting in here for y'all, but this ain't eats. I kind of want hers. All right.
Not you want mine.
Is that everything?
Mm-hmm.
That's everything for now. If Mo come, then we'll be back.